Look at this, Dad.
Yeah.
Wow. Nice. Oh. All of them. Just look at that. Gotta use the hammer. Those are beautiful. Oh wow. Dad, check out the size of this one.
Yeah. Isn't that something?
Like, that's my hand.
We'll put it in the bucket.
Right there, the green. And there's another spot, you said?
Oh, it's just greener color. See, it's tinted a little green.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, wow. Quartz as far as the eye can see.
Right up through there. All over in there.
Oh, wow. What is it?
You see how the quartz is? And you turn it over, and it's got this type here, and there's the quartz running through, and here's another band of quartz running through, and that other black rock-like stuff.
Nice.
That is different, because it's got all the other rocks in it. And you can see in here where it was starting to form fingers.
Oh. Nice.
So
That's a keeper.